ITB Berlin Travel Trade Show opened on Tuesday with about 5,500 exhibitors from around the world. With the number of Chinese tourists gradually increasing in the global market, exhibitors at the ITB Berlin expressed their full expectation for the return of their Chinese consumers.
And you see in the alliance of SkyTeam that more and more airlines are rapidly increasing the flights. We were just a few days ago, was with Virgin Atlantic, which is our new partner in the UK, and they announced to open daily flights to Shanghai 1st of May.
我们从现在的数据来看的话，用户的出行的意愿是非常强烈的。我们的对于出境游的这搜索的这个搜索的那个数目啊，已经超过了19年同期的4%到6%。在我们的平台上看到，就是用户的这个出行的这个量已经出境游已经恢复到了19年的40%的这个水平啊，而且随着航班的逐渐的复苏，我们觉得接下来还是非常值得期待的。